I believe that perhaps the biggest accomplishment I've come up with my magic ghost numbers, besides their discovery or creation in the first place, their solving for the ghost numbers, is what I did a few days ago, a couple of days ago. I let the numbers, the primary numbers, the six primary numbers around a cube become realistic equations. I let, for instance, I didn't label this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and then had these all add together to give the central ghost number. Instead, I have the central ghost number being 3, and that ties these all together, and it makes them true. 1 plus 3 is 4, 2 plus 3 is 5, 1 plus 3 is 4, and that opens up 3 different properties that I've discovered off these things so far. For one thing, the equations that make up what I would call a matrix. It's a matrix of 2 dimensions or 3 dimensions, but still a flat matrix. It has 3 dimensions of row and 3 dimensions of column, but still it's a flat matrix. A tensor, if I'm correct, has 27 different positions for numbers or for equations. Well, what this is, I believe, is like a mix between a matrix and a tensor. It has 3 equations. They sweep out the volume of a tensor, a cube. You have 1 plus 3 is 4. You have 2 plus 3 is 5. And you have 1 plus 3 is 4. They sort of sweep out in a spiral to make out a tensor form, if I'm correct about what a tensor is. So that's one property of these things. Another property is that as soon as you let a few numbers become realistic equations, they all would become realistic equations. Like, for instance, 1 plus 3 is 4 again, 2 plus 3 is 5, 1 plus 3 is 4. Well, these numbers up here at the corners, these edges, 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 plus 3 is 8, 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 3 is 9, 3 plus 3 is 6, and 6 plus 3 is 9. And then these numbers, these corner numbers, these 8 corner numbers, they're the spatial diagonals that already existed in the previous form of a magic ghost number cube. But now they're all equations. They're all meaningful equations. And the last part I want to discuss is the inverse. There's 2. It's a hybrid. It's a magic hybrid cube. There's 2 different numbers at the center. There's a real number that makes these realistic equations, and then there's the 17, which is a combination, the addition of all these primary numbers, these 6 primary numbers, that gives the ghost number, which is again 3 central ghost numbers, gives the outer ghost number 51 at all corners. Well, the 3 makes these equations true, and it ties them all together in a sweeping sort of a matrix tensor spiral, and it allows the other ones to become true as well on all 3 planes of the cube. And they do it in such a way to where they all share the common central real number 3. So I call this magic, and these are different instances. 17 is a prime number, 19 is a prime number, 23 is a prime number, 29 is a prime number. To get exact precise inverses, you'd have to have prime numbers. That's the only way they can be done. You can't do them with composite numbers. 17 is a prime number, and 3 is the real number, and these are the prime ghost numbers. And as you can see, 3 goes into 51 17 times, which gives you back the prime ghost number. The real number divided into the outer ghost number gives you back the real prime number, or the ghost number, prime ghost number. And so I guess that's all 3. I'll have it written in the description, the 3 different properties I've discovered of these so far. The matrix, tensor sort of spiral form, the equation, the affinity to become equations, and the inverses between the hybrid, central, real, and ghost numbers. Well, thanks a lot.